Hey everyone, welcome back to Temp Game Dev. In today's video, we're diving into the world of game development with Solar2D on Debian Linux. We'll cover the installation process using Snap, setting up a new project, and adding a simple text label. Additionally, we'll also look into installing Snap Desktop for a seamless experience. If you're excited about game development, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Let's get started. If you're on Debian Linux, installing Snap is a bit different. Open your terminal and run the following commands. Once Snap is installed, run sudo snap install Solar2D Classic to get the latest version of Solar2D set up on your Debian system. Then you need to restart the system for the newly installed Snap and the application to appear under Applications. With Solar2D installed, let's create our first project. Open Solar2D, click on New Project, and give it a name. Choose the template that suits your project and hit Create. Familiarize yourself with the Solar2D Studio interface. We have our preview window on the left and our code editor on the right. Open the main.lua file and add the following simple code to create a text label. Save your changes and hit the relaunch button in Solar2D Studio. You should see your text label displayed in the preview window. And there you have it. We've successfully installed Snap and set up Solar2D on Debian Linux. This is just the beginning of our game development journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.